Students, welcome to Sri Academy online platform. Today we will discuss the word meaning of class 7 social science geography chapter 1 our environment. Word meaning. Here in the word meaning, first word is environment. ENVIRONMENT, environment. Uh, English meaning of this word is the conditions in which you live, work, etc. I repeat once again, the condition in which you live, work, etc. Hindi meaning of this word is Vatavaran. I repeat once again, Vatavaran. Next word is organism. ORGANISM, organism. English meaning of this word is a living thing, especially one that is so small that you can only see it with a special instrument, a microscope. I repeat once again, a living thing, especially one that is so small that you can only see it with a special instrument, a microscope. Hindi meaning of this word is jeev. I repeat once again, jeev. Next word is vegetation. VEGETATION, vegetation. In that, English meaning of this word is all the plants that are found in a particular place. I repeat once again, all the plants that are found in a particular place. Hindi meaning of this word is vanaspatiyan. I repeat once again, vanaspatiyan. Next word is lithosphere. LITHOSPHERE, lithosphere. English meaning of this word is the rigid outer part of the earth consisting of the crust and upper mantle. I repeat once again, the rigid outer part of the earth consisting of the crust and upper mantle. Hindi meaning of this word is asthal mandal. I repeat once again, asthal mandal. Next word is atmosphere. ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere. English meaning of this word is the air in a place. I repeat once again, the air in a place. Hindi meaning of this word is vayu mandal. I repeat once again, vayu mandal. Next word is hydrosphere. HYDROSPHERE, hydrosphere. English meaning of this word is all the water on the earth's surface. I repeat once again, all the water on the earth's surface. In Hindi meaning of this word is jal mandal. I repeat once again, jal mandal. Next word is biosphere. BIOSPHERE, biosphere. English meaning of this word is the part of earth's surface and atmosphere in which plant and animal can live. I repeat once again, the part of earth's surface and atmosphere in which plants and animal can live. Hindi meaning of this word is jeev mandal. I repeat once again, jeev mandal. Next word is recapitulate. RECAPITULATE, recapitulate. English meaning of this word is to repeat or give a summary of what has already been said or decided, etc. I repeat once again, to repeat or give a summary of what has already been said or decided, etc. Hindi meaning of this word is पुनरावृत्ति करना. I repeat once again, पुनरावृत्ति करना. Next word is plateau. PLATEAU, plateau. English meaning of this word is a large high area of flat land. I repeat once again, a large high area of a flat land. Hindi meaning of this word is pathar. I repeat once again, pathar. Next word is landscape. LANDSCAPE, landscape. English meaning everything you can see when you look across a large area of land. I repeat once again, everything you can see when you look across large area of a land. Hindi meaning of this word is paridrishya. I repeat once again, paridrishya. Next word is gravitational. Gravitation, gravitational. English word meaning is connected with or caused by the force of gravity. I repeat once again, connected with or caused by the force of gravity. Sorry. Hindi meaning of this word is Gurutvakarsan. I repeat once again, Gurutvakarsan. Next word is ultraviolet. 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 English meaning of this word is used about light that caused your skin to turn darker and that can be dangerous in large amount. I repeat once again, use about light that causes your skin to turn darker and that can be dangerous in a large amount. Hindi meaning of this word is parabagni. I repeat once again, parabagni. Next word is elevation. 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 English meaning of this word is the process of moving to a higher place or more important position. I repeat once again, the process of moving to a higher place or move important position. Hindi meaning of this word is ऊंचाई. I repeat once again, ऊंचाई. Next word is interdependent. 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 English meaning of this word is depending on each other. I repeat once again, depending on each other. Hindi meaning of this word is अन्योन्याश्रित. I repeat once again, अन्योन्याश्रित. English next word is ecosystem. 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 English meaning of this word is all the plant and animal in a particular area considered together with their surrounding. I repeat once again, all the plants and animal in a particular area considered together with their surrounding. English Hindi meaning of this word is पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र. पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र. I repeat once again, पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र. Next word is downpour. 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 English meaning of this word is a heavy or sudden fall of rain. I repeat once again, a heavy or sudden fall of rain. Hindi meaning of this word is मूसलाधार बारिश. I repeat once again, मूसलाधार बारिश. Next word is shelter. 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 English meaning of this word is protection from danger or bad weather. I repeat once again, protection from danger or bad weather. Hindi meaning of this word is ashray. I repeat once again, ashray. Next word is rainforest. 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 English meaning of this word is a thick forest in tropical part of the world that have a lot of rain. I repeat once again, a thick forest in tropical part of the world that have a lot of rain. Hindi meaning of this word is Varshavan. I repeat once again, Varshavan. Next word is emerged. 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 English meaning of this word is to appear or come out from somewhere. I repeat once again, to appear or come out from somewhere. Hindi meaning of this word is ubhra. I repeat once again, ubhra. Next word is global warming. I repeat once again, global warming. GLOBAL, global WARMING, global warming. English meaning of this word is the increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere caused by the increase of certain gases. I repeat once again, increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere caused by the increase of certain gases. Hindi meaning of this word is Vaishvik Tapman. I repeat once again, Vaishvik Tapman. I hope you understand the word meaning of this chapter. Thank you for watching.